Ever wonder how AI is getting better at solving problems that mix numbers, diagrams, and words? Really solving them, not just guessing. Today, we're diving into a breakthrough approach called the Deliberate to Intuitive D2I framework. It's like giving AI a superpower, the ability to think deeply during training, then intuit during real-world challenges. Let's unpack how this works and why it's a game changer. Here's the catch. AI struggles when problems require blending multiple modalities. Imagine teaching a robot to solve a geometry puzzle. You show it a triangle with two angles labeled, and it has to calculate the third. Humans instantly recall, angles in a triangle sum to 180 degrees, but for AI, it's like asking a toddler to solve a Rubik's Cube without any hints. It needs to connect visual elements, the triangle's shape, with mathematical rules, angle properties, a task that's far more complex than it seems. Traditional AI models tackle this by relying on brute force training. That means manually labeling every component of every image, or enforcing strict rule-based systems. Think of it as teaching a child to solve a puzzle by handing them the pieces and dictating exactly where to place each one. It works, but it's slow, expensive, and the AI never truly understands the underlying logic. It's just following instructions, not reasoning. Enter D2I. This framework trains AI to become a master puzzle solver, rather than a rule follower. Here's the key. During training, the AI is guided through deliberate step-by-step reasoning, like a teacher walking a student through a problem. For example, it might be forced to identify critical elements of a diagram, e.g., the triangle's vertices, or break down the problem logically. If two angles are 60 degrees and 80 degrees, the third must be 40 degrees. But here's the twist. Once training is complete, the AI shifts to intuitive reasoning. It no longer needs step-by-step instructions. It just knows how to solve the puzzle, even with new, unseen problems. Think of it like teaching a child to ride a bike. At first, you hold the seat and guide them, deliberate training. But once they're steady, you let go. Trust them to balance on their own intuitive reasoning. D2I does the same for AI, enabling it to adapt and solve problems faster, even when the rules aren't explicitly stated. And the results? D2I outperforms older methods by a significant margin. In tests, it solved math problems with diagrams more accurately than models trained with deliberate to deliberate, D2D, approaches. Even cooler, it doesn't require extra labels or complex rules during training. It just needs simple, rule-based rewards, like encouraging it to box its final answer or align with known mathematical principles. This makes it more scalable and efficient, paving the way for AI that truly understands the problems it's solving. So what's next? D2I isn't just a tweak, it's a shift in how we think about AI training. By blending structured reasoning with adaptive intuition, we're not just building smarter models. We're building ones that think like humans. Stay tuned for more deep dives into the future of AI.